Hey, how the frick is everybody doing? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. That's me, I'm Brian. Have you guys ever kind of waited on doing something that you've kind of been thinking about doing, or waited to buy something and you're just like, yeah, I don't know, maybe not yet. And then when you finally do that thing or you buy that thing, you're like, holy crap. Why did I wait so long to do this? Why did I wait so long to buy this? Well, that's exactly what happened to me when I picked up Royal Beardsman's 5 sample pack. That's what we're gonna talk about today. Kick the intro! Alright guys, channel business out of the way up front. If this is your first time here, I would hope that you please consider hitting that subscribe button down there. If you guys are coming back, welcome back. If you like stuff that's in these videos, guys, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. Royal Beardsman. Now this is a company that I have seen many people talk about. I think this is one of the more well-known beard companies out there on the market. A lot of the beard reviewers do reviews on these guys. I don't know why I waited so long. I kept seeing their name. I've heard really good things about them. So I decided to pull the trigger. So I went to the old Royal Beardsman's website, did a little bit of research on these guys. This company is ran by 2 lifelong friends, Shan and Garrett. Their products are manufactured right here in America. These guys have a ton of products. They have oils, they have balms, they have butters, they have mustache wax. They got your wash, your conditioner, they have the whole beard kits. They got the grooming tools, they've got swag, and they've got samples, guys. What I think is most impressive about this company, most of your beard oils, when you buy them, they come in a 1 ounce bottle. These guys, 2 ounces. You're gonna pay about $18.95 for a bottle of beard oil from these guys, but keep in mind, you're getting 2 ounces. So you take that 19 and you divide it by 2. Nobody told me there was gonna be math today. What's 19, 15, and carry the 1, 19, 18, 19. Basically, guys, when you consider the average of a 1 ounce bottle of beard oil is about $15, you're getting 2 ounces for $18.95. So I think that's pretty extraordinary. If you want to just dabble into it before you go all in on a 2 ounce bottle of beard oil and you don't like it and you're stuck with it, you can try their sample pack. They have sample packs that come in 11s, 7s, and 1s. A sample pack of 11 is going to be $24.95. A sample pack of 7 is going to be $17.95. And if you just want to get 1 sample, it's going to be $2.95. So that's what I did. I picked 5 scents on there that I thought would be interesting. Things that are kind of in my wheelhouse, and maybe a couple things that are completely out of my wheelhouse. And I paid $2.95 for each. Free shipping on any orders over $49 or $50. Now you have to check the website. So they shipped it over my way, guys. Pretty cool logo here. You got the bearded skeleton and you got the American flag right there. Turn it around. Awesome inside. As a lot of us like to say, you gotta stay bearded. You pop it open, and inside, guys, are the little drams of the beard oil themselves. Now I got 5 of these. Basically just kind of a pour out bottle at the top there. And pretty good size. Probably one of the better sample size bottles that I've seen from a lot of the samples that I get from the beard companies. So for $2.95, shoot, this is gonna last you a few uses, guys. Pretty cool. Little tour of the bottle here. Not much to tour, but they all come in little bottles like this. So let's talk about the oils themselves, guys. So Royal Beardsman uses very high quality carrier oils. You got your argan oil, you got your jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, hemp seed, avocado, pumpkin seed, grape seed, and premium essentials. So very good quality, guys. So I picked the Cavalier, I got the Tortuga Bay right here, the King's Lagoon, Whiskey Glaze, and the Sire. And guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I was 5 for 5 on all my picks. Every one of these was an outstanding scent. I was not let down by any of them. I could not believe it. Usually I order a sample pack. If I get 5 of them, maybe there's 2 that I'm in love with, 2 that I'm like, oh, okay. And there's usually 1 that I absolutely don't like. All 5 of these scents were home runs. It'd be tough for me to pick a favorite, but you guys know that I like to go with kind of that cologne scent. So the Sire was really kind of like a high-end cologne scent to me. This Tortuga Bay that I have here in my hand, bay leaves, spices, and cinnamon. The King's Lagoon is gonna be citrus with hints of vanilla. Cavalier, which was probably another one of my favorites of them, is vanilla, citrus, bourbon, cinnamon, and tobacco, and it's so good. I'm gonna get my nostrils in this one right here. In fact, I might put a little bit of this in right now. Oh, it's so nice, guys. It's just a nice blend. You take all of those ingredients and you get a nice blend together. You can get the spices, you get the vanilla, you get a little bit of that bourbon in there. And I've kind of been leaning towards some of these bourbon scents lately. Oh yeah, just soak it up, get it nice in there. get it into that skin, because as we all know, the beard oil is for the skin underneath the beard hairs, right? Not necessarily for just the beard hairs themselves. Anyways. And then last but not least, guys, the whiskey glaze, which was freaking awesome. It is basically your Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey! And freaking glazed donut. And it's exactly what it smells like. You get that glazed donut, that nice sugary, Krispy Kreme glazed donut. Great if you're a coffee drinker maybe in the morning. You're gonna swing by the Dunkin' Donuts. Grab yourself some coffee with your whiskey glazed beard oil and pretty awesome. These guys have got a ton of different scents that you can try on their website. Highly encourage you to go check them out. I am not affiliated. This again is just my opinion. I will be ordering more stuff. It blows my mind that you get 2 ounces of beard oil for $18.95. You gotta go out, you gotta check out some Royal Beardsmen. I'm super happy with them. These guys will start to become a regular on my beard shelf. I don't know why I waited so freaking long to go out and try these guys, but I love it. Not trying to be a commercial here, just trying to let you guys know there's good quality beard products out there that you don't have to break the bank for. They're out there doing the right thing with high quality products. And that's what I'm trying to do here, guys, is just give you that kind of information. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You'd be helping me out tremendously. Hit that like button. That's all I got for the review today, guys. You know what I like to say, you have to be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy, and hopefully that includes being kind to each other. That's it for me, guys. I'm out. Peace.